anybody know this guy over here? Well, he's the baddest man on the island. His name's Rick Rock, brother. Hey, if this is Rick Rock's damn house, give me a hell yeah. I didn't hear ya. I said it's just Rick Rock's goddamn house. Now that we understand each other, I'm going to take all that energy and I'm going to turn Hulkamania into Brookamania. Hey, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for coming out and joining the Dog Champion family. He's setting the back, Jack. So get off your ass and let's hear what you got for my daughter, Brooke Hogan. Let's see what you got.